welcome back to our channel. And today we came up with a very interesting topic that why one should study in Canada. To give all your questions answer, we are having Mr. Rohan Rawat, representative of Georgian College. So welcome to the Global Colline, sir.
Thank you very much for inviting me here, Radhika. I hope you're doing well.
Yes, sir. How are you doing and how everyone at family?
Doing very well. Thank you very much.
Okay. So, is majority of the students would like to, go study abroad as a first priority for Canada. They have one questions in their mind from the day one, and that is why they should opt for the Canada and what are the benefits for the same. So, if you could just, help us out to understand and give the glimpses, that would be really helpful to that student.
I'm sure Canada is one of the favorite study destination by student internationally. But yes, there are many advantages coming to Canada, right? Like I myself being in country many times. So what I love about the country is that people are very, very welcoming.
Alright.
And if you see at the pandemic, the way Canada has handled and supported international students, so that means they really value the international student that is coming to Canada. And I'm sure that you were talking about some other countries too, but if you compare, even the education is more affordable and more economical if you compare with any other country. Then I think one of the most important factor is especially when I work in a Canadian community college is the practical education that we provide.
Yes.
So most of our programs come with a co-op that students have a practical exposure which will make them more employable. And last but not the least, I'm sure the post-study work visa, because every student, no matter which country they choose, they always want to stay back to the country, experience the culture, work in that country. Wherein Canada is an immigration-friendly country, wherein a student get post-study work visa option, which makes it as a favorite destination for the student.
Alright, that's very interesting. Thank you so much for the information. Now, coming to the next part, students are in dilemma, what are the streams and what kind of courses are available in Canada. So if you could just help us out to understand, that would be also great.
I'm sure, first of all, I always say to the student, the best program for them is something that they are interested in.
Alright.
So if they like, maybe engineering, so which part of engineering they like? It's electrical, mechanical, automobile, or power engineering technology. Or if a student is a business graduate, right, if they want to graduate in business, where they like finance, they like accounting, they like HR, they like entrepreneurship. So there are a lot of variety and fields are available, starting from hospitality. Health has a very good scope in Canada. Like we at Georgian College, if you look at our health programs, nursing, pharmacy, opticianry, fitness and health promotion. So a huge wide variety of programs are available at diploma, advanced diploma, as well as at the graduate level.
Okay, so if you could just help us to understand a bit more, like what are the duration for these courses, that would be also
Yeah,
great.
so most of the student, so there are 2-3 categories of students. So one student is coming from 12 or from a 3-year diploma. They either choose an advanced diploma, that is a 3-year duration, or they choose a diploma, which is a 2-year diploma. We
Right.
do have some degree program which are for 4 years, and then student who has already done their graduation in India. So whether they have done a 3 years of graduation or 4 years, because see, we as a community college in Canada accept 15 years of education. So there are a lot of options at the graduate certificate level, starting from business, addiction and prevention, some exciting field like artificial intelligence, big data analytics, information security system, mobile application development. Even we have research analyst diplomas, and some students that come from the lawyer background, right? So we
Right.
have a law clerk for the 12th class student, wherein for a lawyer already in India, we have a paralegal program.
Okay, that's really great. So, as you said that Georgian College is having majority of the very good and interesting programs in not only undergrad level, but they do provide a very good opportunity to the students for the PG courses as well. So, what are the normal duration for the PG and UG courses?
So mostly the advanced diploma is 3 years,
Right.
diploma is 2 years, degree is 4 years, as I already conveyed. Graduate certificate, most of them are 1-year program.
Okay.
We only have one graduate certificate, which is a 2-year program, which is Global Business Management, which is again very high in demand for the international students.
All right, that's great. And as you said that Georgian College is the first co-op college in entire Ontario who introduced co-op program very first to the province itself. So it would be really great that if you could just a little bit provide us information about how the co-op program is run and what are the benefits if students are going with the same.
Just like to correct you that we are the number one co-op college. So many other colleges also have co-op, but
Right.
we've been ranked number one in Ontario for our co-op. And
Okay.
see, when you talk about co-op, so sometime I'm sure the student get confused between co-op, internship, field placement, medical placement. But we in Georgian College, so from the day one, the co-op mentor is assigned to the student.
Okay.
Because the aim of Georgian College is to make sure that the student become more employable once they pass out or once they graduate. And this
Right.
happens with our network. We have around 6,200 employer partner that comes in campus to hire for internship, for co-op, and even for the graduate placement. And if you
Alright.
look at our graduate success rate, it's around 90%. That means most of our graduate find the job in the first 6 months.
Okay.
And focusing on co-op, right? So if you see in our advanced diploma, there can be 2 co-op or 3. In diploma, there can be 1 or 2 co-op. Or in a graduate certificate also, we have few programs which have co-op. But what is the exact benefit of co-op is not just that students get extra edge over, getting some money when they do a co-op.
Okay.
The main importance of co-op that with the co-op, it helps the student to understand how to work in a Canadian culture, how to work in a team. And it's easy for the student to get a co-op with the help of the Georgian co-op team. And 99% of the time, the co-op is paid. And if you
Okay.
look at Ontario, on an average, it's $14 to $21 in an hour. And co-op is starting from 290 hours to 560 hours, making it to approx $6,000 to $8,000 in a single co-op term for a student.
That's very interesting. And yeah, I'm sure now students are also concerned about the fee structure, how the affordable fee structures are. So if you could just help us out to understand about the nominal range of fees starting and what about the living expense too?
When you see we are a community college, that means we are already very subsidized because we are funded and regulated by the government. But on an average, the fees is somewhere around from $18,000 to $20,000 for our diploma, advanced diploma, and graduate certificate. So that is a range because fees depend from program to program. A co-op program can be little expensive than the previous program. And then if you see the cost of living, it will be approximately $10,000 a year. So student is able to manage. So it would truly depend on the lifestyle of the student. I've seen a student who do a share accommodation. They stay at accommodation which will cost you around $400 to $600, whereas a student living at a single room can spend up to $800 to $1,000.
Okay, so apart from that, majority of the parents are also having concerns and they are into dilemma like once they study, once they graduate, and once they go further in real world, what kind of job opportunities will be there?
So as I already mentioned, we have 6,200 employer partner, right? And each of the program is associated, whether it's a co-op or it's a non-co-op program. We have our strong team, we have our career fair, we have our student portal, which connect them with these 6,200 employers. And when they connect with this, they have a team which will help them for resume writing, cover letters, maybe if they are getting confused how to use the portal, which all areas to select, they can do that, and the full support is given by the Georgian team.
Okay, that's really great. And so one more thing I wanted to understand basically because majority of the student when they come first time for the counseling, they have this question in their mind like they are thinking apart from English they should have French language as well. So does it make any impact if they are going to the Canada and having the French
I
language
always say,
essentially?
learning an additional language is always good.
All right.
So be it is French, be it is Chinese, or be it any other language, right? So, but yes, in Canada, but if you are in a Quebec region, because see, we are a college which is located in Ontario, in Barrie. So our
Right.
flagship campus in Barrie, and all of our 9 campuses are also located in Ontario. So if you know French, and maybe I think it's good because it could be a possibility that you find your internship or a co-op and you find a person who knows French, and it will help you to network with them. But as Canada is a bilingual country, but the first language is English.
Right.
So if you know French, that's an additional benefit. But if you even don't know French, there is no problem at all.
Okay.
Only one province which is more dominated by the French is Quebec, wherein in Ontario, if student knows English, that's more than enough.
Okay, the information which is given by you, that is very informative. The session is very interactive, and personally, I and entire Global Alliance team would like to thank you for being here and sharing the information which is very useful for the student. And I'm sure, guys, you are getting all your queries sorted now, and from next time we'll be coming up with the next and very interesting topic about the Canada. So thank you so much for guys, bear with us. Stay safe, stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and give references for your colleagues and your students who are planning to study abroad, and if they have any queries. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much, the whole Global Alliance team, for inviting me for today's session. I'm sure if you have any more queries, I will request you to connect with the Global Alliance team. They are very well equipped with all the information, not just Canada, but about Jerton College. Stay safe and stay connected. Thank you.